Okay, hi. Today we're gonna learn about the tutorial of formulas for Microsoft Excel about the formulas of left, mid, and right. So these formulas will be important for your works. So the functions of these formulas is about to extract some and certain characters on Microsoft Excel, and also later you can combine these three formulas with another formula from Microsoft Excel. So you can try first about the formulas of left, mid, and right here for this tutorial. And today we're gonna learn together about these formulas. Here you can see about the a table. It's about the name of employee. The total number of employees is about 170. Okay, there are 170 name of employees, and then and also their identity number, and there's left, mid, and right. The formulas of left, mid, and right will be used here and to extract the number of each formulas. So we will extract the data from the identity number, and we will take a certain characters from this identity number. Okay, let's start about it, and here we go. We will extract about the identity number of employees, and you can see here that there are three informations. Firstly, about the division, and then the year of birth, and level of employees as the third part of the identity number. And you are known firstly from these characters to be extracted, and which characters that need to use left formulas, mid formula, and right formulas. And left formula is used to extract the first characters, or it is the left side on the identity number or characters. For example, for the first identity number, you see that SAL 1992 and E. So you need to extract the third letters from the left part, from the left side here. Left means that you will take some certain characters from left. Or mid, you need to take middle characters from the many characters here. And if you want to extract the characters from last part of each characters, you can use the formula of right on this Microsoft Excel function. Okay, that's three different formulas functions, and we will together see how to use these formulas. Okay, firstly, we will extract some characters from left part. It's about division from the identity number. Okay, we will use left formulas here. So the formula will be like this: equal to sign left, and open the brackets, and click the cells contains these characters C2, okay, from this table, and then comma, and Excel asks you to import the number of chars. Okay, it's about num chars, and how many characters that you want to extract here. It's num of chars. Okay, it's about characters. So because I just need three first characters from the identity number, just type 3 and then comma, and or close the brackets and enter. So the result will be SAL. Okay, the result should be SAL because we will extract from the identity numbers for the third characters, from the first third first three characters from the identity number. And how about n? Okay, C2, comma 4. Okay, so Excel will display or will show you a strip because 4 characters from left that contains SAL and strip because the characters is also counted from this formula. Okay, so be attentions. So pay your attentions on the characters here. So it's just 3 characters from left. Okay. Okay, to copy for all the formulas into the next rows, just click 2 times with your mouse and the formula will be automatically inputted on or copied until the last part of the rows. So we do not need to input the formula one by one or manually. And before we go or we move to the mid formulas, so we will go then to the right formula because left we have taken the characters from left side and right will we will take the characters from the right side or the last part of identity number characters. Okay, let's about the formula of right equal to sign right upon the bracket C2 because we will extract from the C2 because I just need to extract 1 characters comma just need type to 1 and close the brackets, enter, and the result will be shown on this column. Okay, for example, I want to change about it. The number of characters is not 1 but there are 3 characters. Okay, and then enter. Okay, Excel will take the last 3 characters from right. Okay, yes, I will return it. It is 1 characters that we need to input these right formulas. Okay, just need to take only 1 characters from the right side. And lastly, it's about the formula of mid because it's it's quite complicated compared to left and mid left and right formulas. Okay, because mid is in the middle. Okay, mid is in the middle characters that we want to take from many characters. Okay, so from characters until characters, some characters. Okay, I want to extract from the identity number only the year that positions that its positions is on the middle of characters identity number. Okay, equal to sign mid and then open the bracket C2, choose the file choose the cell that we want to extract here, and then comma start number and then non-chars. Okay, there are 4 characters. It's 1992. Okay, so we should not know we should know the starting characters from this identity number. Okay, from 1992 the number 1 from 1992 is on the 5th characters on this identity number value here. So comma the start number should be 5 to take 1 and then comma we just we need 4 characters from this year of birth and then comma 4. Okay, then close the brackets and then it means that we will take from the 5th from the first 5th from the 5th characters from the 5th characters from the first, and then we will take 4 characters from this identity number to extract on this middle formula. Okay, C2 from the 5th characters and we will take all the 4 characters. That's how to read the middle formula. Okay, just click on the top from this and Excel will automatically copy about the formulas until the last rows. Okay, on this data. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to use the formula of left, mid, and right on Microsoft Excel, and the concept will be similar. Left, if you want to take some characters from the left part of some characters on Microsoft Excel. Right, if you want to take last characters on the right from the right side, and if you want to take some characters on the middle, we will use the formula of mid. Okay, this formula should be understood by you, because from the formulas of left, mid, and right could be combined together with VLOOKUP formula or another formulas from Microsoft Excel, and maybe I will explain it on another chance opportunity apart from these videos. Okay, the tutorial about this. See you soon on the next video, and bye bye.